Another new entrant into the market, the Fastrack Reflex Curv, has just been announced and it will be available shortly. This new smartwatch has some interesting features and we'll take you through them, but let's quickly check out the unboxing. In the box, you'll get the watch itself along with easily replaceable bands. We're checking out the black color. The launch offer price is $4,495 and we'll have links in the description if you guys are interested in checking out the watch. Speaking of the watch itself, it's called the Reflex Curv because it does have a curved glass on the top with a 2.5D curvature. The watch also gets a 1.69-inch display, and this is a really vivid display. It's got good visibility indoors as well as outdoors, and the colors are nice and vivid, as well as the levels of black are really deep. The user interface is also easy to navigate through, and you get a whole host of features on the watch itself. You do have 20 plus sports tracking modes along with things like hydration alerts and sleep monitoring, but you also do have a 24/7 heart rate monitor as well as a body temperature monitor along with several other features. You do have smartphone connectivity, and the app allows you to not only connect and pair with the device, but also manage over 100 watch faces that are available. You can also connect the watch to the Fastrack app to allow you to get more control over the watch, as well as monitor your records, which you can do for days, weeks, or even months at a time. You can also set up your hydration alerts so that the watch can remind you to drink some water ever so often, because a lot of people miss out on that. And then the sleep tracking will allow you to keep a record of how well you're sleeping. All of those features are built in, and like I mentioned, the design of the watch is really nice and it is pretty smart with the 2.5D curvature, and the watch is extremely lightweight as well. The straps are easily replaceable, and like I said, you can pick and choose the color of the watch, and then you can also swap out the bands to make your own color design. The watch is also IP68 rated, so it is water and dust resistant. Other features include the ability to control the music on your smartphone. So the minute you have this paired, you can use this watch as a remote for music controls on your phone. You can also use this to control the camera of your phone. So you can have a remote shutter button, so you can click pictures remotely. So if you place your phone somewhere, you can use this to click photographs from your phone as well. And then you do have a phone locator. So if you do lose your phone and you do have your watch on you, you can use the phone locator feature and the phone will ring and also display a message saying that you are looking for it, as long as this is connected via Bluetooth. Overall, a pretty interesting watch to get. We'll have this linked in the description below if you guys are interested. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.